are New Jalpaiguri Junction.
Yeah, cleaning.
Ear? What type of cleaning is it? Is it safe? Safe?
Cleaning.
Okay. Kitna?
60.
60? Okay. It hurts or no? Clean? Clean needle?
Cleaning. अंदर में है.
What does that mean? Safe or no? This is wild. Oh my god, that's a lot of earwax he just got out of there. Wow, holy crap. Look at how much was in there.
Recording.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
This is the craziest thing. Oh wow. That was a dirty ear. That's insane. He just walked up and oh my gosh. Hey, just be careful with that, brother. That one's clean?
Medicine.
Medicine, yeah? Oh, more?
Medicine. Clean.
Medicine? What medicine? You have medicine? Yeah, let me see. Is it safe?
Yeah. With
Well, what is it?
medicine. ये देख रहा इतना बड़ा निकलेगा.
Okay, yeah.
मगर इसको देने से इसको मनी एक्स्ट्रा.
Okay.
इसका करेगा 450.
450?
एक साइड का, one side.
One side, 450. No medicine then, brother.
इतना बड़ा निकलेगा अंदर से. इतना बड़ा.
What's your best price?
One side करेगा 400 लेगा.
Both sides 400.
One side 400, two side 800. One side अगर क्लीन इतना बड़ा निकलेगा.
Oh. One side 600, brothers. Sorry, both 600, both 600.
आप पहले क्लीन पे चेक देख.
Both 600.
ठीक है.
ठीक है?
निकाल देगा ना बेच देंगे.
Whoa.
अरे क्या बच्चा समझ में नहीं आता मेरा. मेरे फ्रेंड.
Oh.
हाँ.
Hello, brother.
Friend.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Have you gotten one of these?
Huh?
Have you gotten an ear cleaning?
Ear cleaning.
Drop.
More medicine?
Medicine. दोनों का 6 में करा दे. 12 नहीं है, दोनों का 6 में करा दे.
Wow, those were some dirty ears.
Sir, you're from?
US.
US.
Yes.
I'm from
Yep.
India.
From India, yeah, very nice. Which state? Oh, we're spilling a little bit. Whoa. What on earth is that? Holy crap.
यार पूरा क्लीन.
Clean, yeah?
हाँ.
Hey, careful, brother. Hey.
चलो.
Clean? Done?
Clean.
Holy crap. That is a lot of stuff that was in my ear. How is that possible? Oh.
One side.
One side, yeah. All right. Safe, yeah?
Safe.
Wow, that was a lot. Can you tell him just next time be a little more gentle on the ear? A little softer? Like a... Can you translate to him just World Nomac, yeah?
Channel name?
Other side. Done? Okay.
Free.
Other one? Wow, this is insane.
दर्द तो नहीं हो क्या? दर्द फीलिंग तो नहीं हुआ कुछ?
Feels a little bit, yeah. So tell him to do less pain.
To side. बाप रे थोड़ा ही साइड पसीन जाता बाप रे
Wow, that's a lot. All right, there we go.
दोनों साइड मिले थे ना उधर एरिया में ठीक डालेगा पूरा वो दोनों साइड का एरिया ना ठीक
This is a wild process.
मेडिसिन
Oh, and it all dripped right out, yeah? Alright, wow, he's getting a lot out of there. They need more ear cleaning like this in the US as long as it's safe. Ooh. Oh, all right. Wow, that's a lot you got out of there. Pain.
New friend Bujetta. Friend.
Friend, yeah?
Yeah.
That's your buddy.
Bujetta friend.
Buddha Chabaran. Nice to meet you. Oh, tell him pain, a little, yeah, left. Yeah. Calm down, brother. Yeah.
Slow. Aste. Aste. ये मेडिसिन
Medicine? Alright, let's do it.
ये दूसरा मेडिसिन
Save medicine, yeah?
सेब नहीं ठीक
ठीक है?
ठीक है
Everything's
ये
good?
वाला इस साइड
Alright, yeah, that's a cleaner. Alright,
पूरा फ्री
I can see clearly.
अच्छा हुआ
Ah, yeah.
अच्छा हुआ कि नहीं हुआ
बहुत अच्छा, brother.
अच्छा अच्छा
Alright, kitna, brother?
800 रुपया
What is
दूसरा
this?
का
What is
800
that? How much is he saying?
क्या बोल रहे हैं 800
800 is a good price? 800 is a good price? Good price? Alright. That was a full-on cleaning. What is that? What is that? What is that yellow?
नहीं दवा से क्या ना
You have change, brother? Change?
ला दूसरा दे दूसरा दे ना गूगल पे कर देना अगो 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 या तो 500 का चेंज मेरा साला
Alright, that's right. Namaste, brother. Oh, I can hear clearly now. That's me, yeah.
Subscribe to it.
Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad? Brother, nice to meet you.
Jai Sri Ram,
Dhanyavad.
sir.
I can hear perfectly now.
Sir, Jai Sri Ram.
Jastaram?
Jai Sri Ram.
Jai Saram.
Jai Sri Ram.
Jai Saram. Thank you, brother.
फिर कभी आ रहा
Until next time, yeah?
हाँ, ठीक.
Alright, thank you. Goodbye. Honestly, I cannot believe how much earwax was stuck in my ear, and it was so random. The guy came up with like the thing, and I'm like, what is that? So I was like, okay, well, it looks pretty cool because like it really clears your ears out. This is insane. I was definitely on edge though, having someone I don't know just put some sort of piece of metal in my ear.
So guys, I want to share a little bit more that I didn't film, which was probably the next 2 hours my ears were a bit sore. I think overall this guy did a fine job on it, but I spoke with a couple other sources and read some things online, and basically what I did there was very dangerous. We don't know if that needle was sterilized. It definitely wasn't, given the fact the guy is using his hands with no gloves to put multiple people's earwax all over. And aside from that though, the most important thing to mention why this is so dangerous is because the inside of your ears are very sensitive. And with a metal pointy stick like that, it can very easily, with a mistake, pop the eardrum or cause some serious damage, which could even result to losing your hearing. And this is why I would say to avoid doing this procedure, because while my ears did feel cleaner after, I was actually about 2 minutes into the procedure and I just had a lot of fear in my mind. That's why you didn't hear me talk too much, because I was very concerned that something might happen. And you can just feel them poking around on the inside of your ear, and that's when you just kind of realize, like, this is probably not a safe thing. The procedure of doing it by someone that you have no idea if they're a professional at this or not adds a huge risk, and hearing is such an important sense that we have, and it's not something I'm going to be doing again because it's not worth the risk.